Well, welcome everyone. This is Rob, founder of WealthBuildersHQ.com, and welcome to this edition of Trade with Rob, which is for December 8th, 2021. Year's coming to an end, baby. Now, the market's just closed, maybe a half an hour or so ago, so let's start off with the S&P 500, keeping in mind that everything we look at today is for educational purposes only. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, if you see something that you like here today, make sure that you subscribe and follow along, not only to YouTube, but to all of our social platforms. I'll leave links down in the description below where you can find more about the various, our social programs or platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so forth, all right? So with that being said, let's go. All right, so S&P 500, there we go. All right, so what happened? Man, we are in a strong bullish turn as in the last 2 days. I mean, it rocked. What a gap up, gap and go. I mean, it was just big gap, big run today. Overall, strong directional bullish market. We're not true bull on our moving averages yet, but another day, we pull back tomorrow, we could see a bullish moving average shift. So I'm not too worried about it. All right, so with that, the candidate we're looking at today is Zebra Sam. All right, and let's take a look-see at what we've got. Let me bring it in a little bit. All right, so we'll grab our drawing tool. We'll map out the fibs. We'll discuss what's going on. All right, so here's our V bottom. Nice bullish thrusting. Slow and steady wins the race. There's the move back to the 236. Excellent pullback. Hesitation level, which is 236. And we got a break out of the zero. We ran, man. We ran. Right up here in the negative 618, pull back. And the last couple of days, as the market's been crashing down, so did ZS, right? Just gave way. So let me clear off the markings. Let me bring it in a little bit so we can get a better view of what's going on here. So now here's what we're going to look for. We're going to look, in an ideal world, you either want a pullback, doesn't have to come all the way down to the moving to the fib line, or a small move to the upside. A big move up, the trade is over. We don't take it. Okay, we pass and look to see if it sets up another day. So in an ideal world, we're looking for a pullback or a small move and then a bounce on that pullback, or a small move is just a small move. You have to decide which way fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance, right? I like pullbacks. That doesn't mean that's what we always get, right? If we take the trade here, for me, what I recommend is you take at least 2 contracts, 2x. And that's how we trade them, is 2 contracts. And here's why. We're going to look to try to get a runner out of this and try to get an additional move, 2-line move out of the trade. And what we're looking at is this. We'll take 2 contracts, let's say right there. That's the entry, right? We will immediately put target 1 is 307. 1x means 1 contract at that target, not Y1x. S1 is stop 1, but that will be for 2x. Wait, 2 on the stop, 1 on the target? Yes, because if we make it up to our target, the stop is going to cancel. Then what we're going to do is we're going to set target 2 at 326, also for 1 contract, but we're going to put our stop just above break even. What does that mean? If we got in at 295, then you're going to put a stop on this at 296, 297, 98, somewhere above that 295. Somewhere above, and 295 is not the number, just if. Somewhere above where you got in. So if it does pull back, it may cost you a little bit. Even if it does go against you that way, it may cost a little, just by volatility, flip, theta, burn, and so forth. But you're not going to get your head handed to you and give too much of the trade back. All right, so that's our numbers. That's the plan. And I'm sticking to it. Stick with the rules. Don't change them. Don't think about it. Don't pass go. Don't collect $200. Follow the dang rules for the best results. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just 1 trade away. Question of the day, go ahead and put down below what stocks are you looking at for tomorrow. I'll talk to you soon. Take care for now. Bye. Folks, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the training. Now, if you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here and hit the bell to keep up with all the latest trading content. And oh, did you know that we have a podcast? Supercharge your trading education with the Stock Market Millionaire, which you can find in the description down below. And while you're there, you can also find other amazing free trading resources that I've put together just for you.